Hi, I'm Casey Ramirez, and this is my YouTube podcast for computer, science, and the internet, week 4 assignment. I will be talking about how technology has influenced my field of study, both for hardware and software, and how technology makes it better. My chosen field is that of video game design, which would not have its start if it weren't for the computer. Beginning way back in the 40s is when the first video game was developed, evolving out what used to be a missile defense system. It was very primitive by today's standards, being cathode ray based, but it was the start of what was said as one of the top entertainment fields of this new generation. Through the 40s, 50s, and 60s, games were more or less Pong-type games. Lights displayed graphical games. It wasn't until the early 70s did the game industry really start to boom with games like Pong, Asteroid, and Space Invaders. And as each decade begins, video games become ever more realistic. Hardware is important to attain the graphics seen in video games, whether it be the CPU fast enough to perform all the functions, or a graphics card that help render the graphical properties to show you a more visually appealing game, all come together to help add realism to the newer generation of video games. These are all very important to never-ending improvements in this industry. Software, on the other hand, is just as important. Helping to make the models or the source code for these games, implementing exactly where a checkpoint will be on a level or where a monster will pop out is all done software side. Programs like C++ and DirectX are key to today's video game success. Without these, you would not have a video game. Programs like DAZ Studio is also another program that helps make the graphics used, which is also a biggie, helping to add the illusion of realism. All these programs come together to lay the foundation for video games in our current era. Finally, I have to say that I'm glad to be going into this field of study, as it seems very fun and reliable in the way that it's becoming a bigger entertainment business. Thank you for watching. Again, I'm Casey Ramirez, and this is my week 4 assignment.